Samsung Folding Plan are unfolding just the way they want it. They have indeed done the impossible, as they have confirmed that Galaxy Z series is now pulling customers from other brands. It's an interactive upgrade, but there are some cute changes that Samsung has made to the handset, so this is the top reasons why you should buy the Z Fold 4. Number 1. Software experience. Samsung adding features to One UI that actually take advantage of that larger display. With that said, one of the best features of the Z Fold 4 is this Microsoft Windows-like taskbar at the bottom, which makes multitasking much more convenient. Since it's a software feature, a lot of wondering whether or not older Z Fold phones would get this feature with a software update. It is easiest way to access the apps you've used recently, your entire app library, or the apps pinned at the bottom of the front screen. Samsung and its partner like Google and Microsoft continue to enhance the phone's multitasking software, thanks to expanded support for Flex Mode and a platform based on Android 12L. Therein lies my only complaint with the taskbar: there's no flexibility. It displays up to 8 apps in total, and follows the same one you have at the bottom of the home screen on the main screen. Number 2. S Pen support. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is not the only smartphone that has S Pen support, but it should be you also get a built-in S Pen. The S Pen is sold separately for the Z Fold 4. The main screen on the Z Fold 4 still has S Pen support, and both the S Pen Pro and S Pen Fold Edition are compatible. There's also a standing cover with pen case. The S Pen holder slots in here at the back, and this is a separate $90 purchase. And if you actually pre-order the Z Fold 4, Samsung is gonna give it to you for free. So if you S Pen lover, look no further, go and pre-order the Z Fold 4. Number 3 is performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is powered by Qualcomm latest billing Big Bollocks Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, by 12 gigs of DDR5 RAM. You got 2 SIM slots on this thing, plus eSIM support on top of that, full 5G support. The connectivity was flawless. It comes with 4,400 million power battery, and after using Z Fold 4 for consistently, Z Fold 4 lasted then 9 hours of screen on time. And with the light performance mode on Z Fold 4, it is even more, which is a great feature on Samsung, because you don't use your phone at extreme level all the time. Still on light mode, the screen runs on 120Hz refresh rate, and gaming Z Fold 4 performance very well. Number 4. Inner display. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, it's suddenly in full-on beast mode with a 7.6-inch interior screen. That is once again dynamic AMOLED tech mixing out at 120Hz. But this time with a supremely sharp Quads HD plus resolution. You've got 10+ streaming support, and movies do look proper lush. Another new feature in the Z Fold 4 that comes with the new camera system is the ability to shoot in 8K video. With a slimmer hinge, its design feels more balanced. Thinner bezels make room for a wider cover display without increasing overall width. A 50-megapixel main camera is paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens sensor and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom and 30x space zoom. And while there's no support for micro SD memory cards here, you can configure your Z Fold 4 with up to 1 TB of storage, plenty of space for downloading shed loads of Netflix and Disney. And number 5. Samsung deals. You can head over to Samsung official website and pre-order your Galaxy device, because the pre-order will ending on 25th of August. Those some awesome trade-in deals that they also give you a free storage upgrade on your phone, so the 256GB version will cost same as a 512GB version. And also you will get the free S Pen case for the Z Fold 4 if you pre-order. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.